Hello students, today we will discuss work done on an electric dipole. Two equal and opposite point charges separated by a finite distance constitute an electric dipole. Each dipole has an electric dipole moment, which is a vector directed from negative point charge towards positive point charge. When an electric dipole of dipole moment P is placed in a uniform electric field E such that the dipole moment vector P makes an angle theta with the direction of uniform electric field E. In this situation, the electric dipole is in unstable position. Hence, electric dipole experiences a torque which tends to align the dipole in the direction of applied electric field E. The magnitude of this torque is the cross product of electric dipole moment vector and electric field vector and is given by Pe sin theta. When theta is equal to 0, the torque acting on the electric dipole is 0. Hence, the dipole is in its most stable position. When electric dipole moment vector is parallel to the direction of applied electric field E. In this position, the electric dipole has the lowest potential energy and it corresponds to the maximum stability. This minimum potential energy is equal to minus P dot E. Hence, work is done on the electric dipole to rotate it through an angle theta against the external torque. The magnitude of this work done on the dipole is given by W is equal to Pe 1 minus cos theta. Hence, work done on electric dipole is a function of theta which the dipole moment vector P makes with the direction of uniform electric field E. This work done on electric dipole in rotating it through an angle theta against the external torque increases the potential energy of the dipole, thereby reduces the stability of the dipole. When the dipole makes an angle theta with the direction of applied electric field and is rotated by this angle theta, then the potential energy of electric dipole is given by minus Pe cos theta. From the equation of work done, it is evident that the maximum work is done to rotate the dipole through an angle 180 degree. That is when the electric dipole moment vector P is anti-parallel to the direction of applied electric field vector E. In this position, the electric dipole attains its maximum potential energy and it corresponds to the position of maximum instability. In this case, the point charge plus Q comes at this position and the point charge minus Q comes at this position. Hence, substituting the value theta equal to 180 degree in this equation, we get the maximum work done on an electric dipole as 2Pe. Similarly, the maximum potential energy gained by the electric dipole. So, substituting theta equal to 180 degree in the equation U equal to minus Pe cos theta, we get the maximum potential energy as plus Pe. Hence, to increase the potential energy of electric dipole from the most stable position from minus Pe to the least stable or the most unstable position where its potential energy is plus PE, we have done a work of 2 PE on the electric dipole. Thus, in the position of maximum instability, the electric dipole moment vector P is opposite to the direction of applied electric field E.